Today is Saturday, October 18th. This is the 1971 to 78 Cadillac multi-speed cycling wiper motors. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. This is video number 3 out of a 3-video set. This particular unit is a 168-3709. This is the original vintage 1975 Cadillac wiper motor from my friend Kelly in Oklahoma. And the unit's been repaired and restored. And I'll be doing a functional validation test under power. I'll be comparing it to some of the other motors that I have here. And also we have the compound multi-slide control module or wiper switch, which is mounted in the dash. I'll be doing a supplemental video for that here separately in a moment. So I'm going to go ahead and begin by connecting my power leads to the terminals. This unit had been shorted internally, so we had to do a repair on it. And I'm going to go ahead and energize the unit, and we'll be looking for the rotation. These wiper motors have to be properly grounded. I'm grounded right here. This is the grounding strap. In these particular configurations, they're not always true in terms of their grounding continuity, so you have to make sure. It's always a good idea to have a double ground and to test your ground. So I'm going to go ahead and energize the unit. And we can see the rotation in low. You can see the rotation of the multi-speed electric in high, medium, high, back to low. And one of the beauties of these motors is the self-parking feature. We activate the self-parking and the unit self-parks, stops, and recalibrates. So that's one of the exceptional notorieties of these particular motors, is that they are self-parking. And normally the self-parking feature fails. There is an internal ballast resistor in these units that controls the first regulating speed. There's an additional ballast ceramic fuse in the switch controls, which further regulates the medium speed. And of course there is a resistor strip for the delay that works in conjunction with the delay relay. So we've gone ahead and we've tested the original vintage unit that'll be going back to my friend Kelly. I'm going to go ahead and just test the adjacent unit here. We can look at the comparisons. Okay, we'll go ahead and energize this unit. And the unit self-parks. So there we have the lower speed, faster speed, medium, the high. Now we'll be doing the self-park, and the unit self-parks. Okay, so that's the 1975, specifically 1971 through 78. Cadillac wiper motors. This unit will be going to my friend Kelly. I'll be shipping it out today. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the repairs of the wiper switch and the wiper motors, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, October 18th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.